What should I do today? I'll have this. When you hear the bell, open the door to knowledge. Wonder what that means. What up, cuz? What up? I just got the strangest fortune cookie.
Ooh, that makes me hungry for sushi.
Sorry, I don't know how to make sushi.
Duh, I do.
Well, let's make sushi.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the first step to cooking our sushi?
Let me think. First, you have to wash the rice 3 times.
Okay.
Hey, knuckleheads. There is no rice. How are we gonna cook without rice?
Let's go right into the store.
Are you sure you know how to drive?
I think so.
Oh, great.
Hey, Pineapple, can you help me backing up? I can't see back there.
Yeah, sure. Just give me a minute. I just got buckled in. Hold on. Okay, come on back, come on back. A little further. Whoa, 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 slow down. No, oh no. Ugh.
Did you hear something?
I think we just left here for a while.
Are you sure you know where you're going?
Yeah?
I don't think we're on the road anymore. Are you sure about this, Joaquin?
Pretty sure. Another left. Then let's go left. One more left. 2 more left. 3.
That's a lot of lefts. Are you sure we're not just going in a circle?
Pretty sure we're going the right way, Kaylee.
Okay.
Wow, look at all the elk. Oh, there it is. The store. Over there. Store. Nice.
Whoa, Pineapple, what happened?
What happened? Well, you ran me over. And it hurt.
Pineapple, I'm so sorry.
That was him, not me. I was not driving.
Yeah, no, it was just a bump. No big deal. Let's just get to cooking the rice. I am hungry, okay? Come on. Be sure to get sushi sticky rice.
Rinse the rice in a colander. Gently massage the rice.
Let's put the rice in the rice cooker with water and cover and cook. Now let's add our rice vinegar. Here you go, Joaquin.
Now we need to slowly move our rice. Make sure you don't mash it. Now it's time to make our rolls. What type of roll do you want to make, Kaylee?
I call it the triple C with the cucumbers, the carrots, and some crab. First we need our nori and then a thin layer of rice. Celery, carrots, and then crab. Okay, your turn, Joaquin.
Today I'm going to be making my JJ roll. which is cream cheese, shrimp, avocado.
Here's how we roll. Here's how we roll.
Somebody save me!
Oh, fun knives. Carefully cut the rolls with a sharp knife. Let's decorate these babies. Sriracha mayo and wasabi. Oh yeah, Japanese sodas.
I don't know how to use it.
Try it.
I don't know how to use it.
Hold on.
Lady.
It's not spicy. No, it's mine, isn't it? I think.
I love how the cream inside, it just mixes with all the other flavors and it gives us a delicious, delicious flavor. What's this green stuff?
Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more.
And click the notification bell to get more knowledge on how to cook. See ya!
Bye.